Welcome back to my channel, and today I have two super easy detoxing and purifying face masks for us to try. It is winter time, and girl, it is cold, okay? So our faces, some of us, we're getting dry, flaky skin, and for other people like us oily people, our skin actually tries to make up for the dryness by producing more oil. Therefore, it's easy to get acne. Either way, our skin just probably isn't feeling the best right now, so we deserve this pamper time for our skin. Our skin deserves better than what we're getting right now, girl. Both of these masks help to clear up acne and just purify and make your skin healthy. So let's get into it.
I should have stayed at home, 'cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could have made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be. And see, I wasn't made for you, and you weren't made for me, though it seems so easy. And that's because I wanna be your favorite boy. I wanna be the one that makes
Look like those beauty gurus who fake tan a little bit too hard.
I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you'll be mine, but I still want.
I feel like this has somehow reduced redness. See this? This buoyancy, this softness. I feel great. Wow. Y'all, my face is getting a treatment of a lifetime. I have learned my lesson. So I just washed the clay mask on and I put moisturizer on and everything. My skin feels great. It really does. It feels very healthy. As for like the anti-acne aspect of it, I think you'll have to do the mask like a few times before you actually see the results. So I'm definitely going to use the residue that I left over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want and like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye!